Let's make some adorable, creamy, mini vegan broccoli quiche. Start by pressing your tofu using the Easy Tofu Press. Then heat some olive oil and sauté your garlic until it turns translucent. Now add minced broccoli to the pan and cook until it turns a beautiful bright green. Set that aside while you make the creamy tofu filling. Cut your pressed tofu block in half, then break it up into pieces and drop it into your blender. Add olive oil, soy sauce, Italian seasoning, nutritional yeast, soy or oat milk, and garlic and onion powder. Blend that up till it's smooth and creamy, and then transfer it to a large bowl. Add the cooked broccoli and some minced green onion, and then fold those in to complete the filling. Spoon the filling into mini vegan phyllo cups and bake until they're golden brown. Enjoy this creamy mini vegan quiche as an appetizer or at your next holiday party.